There is a reason to replace a GFI. It got all covered with paint. Alrighty, so first we'll unscrew take our cover off here. And the reason you don't paint over these is the paint can get in and contaminate your connections, and also your buttons won't work right. So this is the end of a run here. So take our white off of our silver screw. Black comes off the brass screw. And the ground is on this green screw here. This box got all full of dirt from down the wall. You can see how dirty it got back there because of all the dirt in the wall. And you never paint over this. That's what happens when you don't hire good qualified painters. So if you look at the back of the device, you'll see where it says line and load. We'll close our load terminals because we're not feeding anything downstream. So that way our screws don't move around and touch something. Black goes to the brass screw, the narrow slot. White goes to the silver screw, the wider slot. And the ground goes on the green. So we will put our wires on here. We'll start with our ground. We'll get it under the pressure plate here. Okay, we'll just make sure it's up in all the way. And we'll tighten it up. Make sure it's tight. Okay, we'll put our black. Okay, we can shorten these up because these terminals.
Give me my soda back. My soda's at the top of the stairs.
So we'll clip a little off here so it's not too long because you don't want copper sticking down the terminals. We'll get it down under our pressure plate here. Okay, make sure my copper's all the way down to the bottom here. Tight. Flip it around, we'll get our white over here on our silver colored terminal. Shorten it a little bit so it's not too long. We'll put it under our silver colored terminal here. Okay, that's just the right length there. Just make sure our connection is nice and tight. Okay, now we'll just put our device back into the box here. We'll fold our wires up so they go in easily without any force. And we'll have to break this little tabby off on the side here because there's a screw holding the box here in the way, and I want this to fit nice and flush, so we'll take these two plaster ears off here. Push our wires back so they're out of the way of everything. Snug. Snug. We'll put our painted up cover on for right now until they get another one. And we'll flip the breaker on, we'll test this GFI and make sure it's working right. I'm just going to flip the breaker back on. Okay, see this little red dot here? It means it's stripped. So we'll push our reset button, it's off. We'll push our test button, it's red. Push the reset, and that red light is off. Peace. Thanks for watching.